What's going on, YouTube? I have another unboxing to do. This is from the same company who made my grills. Right here. This is from Boy and Real Jewelry. They sent me something, so it's time to unbox it. I only put some holes in here so that I could stick a Sharpie in there. You know, blur out my address and stuff. But let me see if I could find some. So unboxing. So just got this box. It says for Nate star ring because they sent me a ring, which is cool. It's very nice of them. So let's open this shit up. Yeah. And they taped this shit up pretty good, to be honest. Let's see what we got. For Nate. Man. Damn, so they packaged this shit really good. All that bubble wrap, crazy. This is from Boy and Real Jewelry. As you can see right here, this is what my grills came in. It's the same company. And I'm gonna put my discount code that you guys could use. I'm gonna put it on the screen so that you guys can check them out and get a discount. And what's all this? Man. I don't know what I should open first. Alright. I like this one, it's white. This is pink, so I got white and pink. That's what's up. Alright, let's see what's in here. Probably nothing though. Oh yeah, look. So it's got like a little packaging tray. So that's cool. Let's see. And then you got a Born Real like bag thingy. So the rings in here, I can feel it. This stuff. Look, silver polishing cloth. And it just tells you how to use it. Yeah, that's what's up. What's in here? Oh, okay. So it says, thank you. It says thank you. Let's see what it says. Alright. So this is their little note, and you can scan these QR codes. This is their like socials, so this is their WhatsApp, Instagram, and TikTok. So if you guys are interested in that. Dear Nate, thank you for your support. Born Real Jewelry all the time. Best wishes, Misty. Shout out Misty. Look at that. Thank you, thank you. Alright. So let's get into the ring. Alright. Oh, that's what's up. That's what's up. Damn. Alright. So it came wrapped in this like tinfoil thingy. But this is cool. I like this. This is what's up, man. Come on. But yeah, I'm gonna link them, their website and their Instagram. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna link their website and their Instagram in the description if you're interested in checking them out. Born Real Jewelry. And then you guys can use my discount code. Is that focusing? Damn, this is dope. Look at that. That's icy. That's pretty cool. Alright. Now we got the the Supreme Diamond Tester, which you guys hated so much. You guys were like, that fake ass tester. Yeah. But it's just like a basic thermal conductivity tester. But we're gonna diamond test this shit. Man, this is cool. But you gotta take it off. Wait, no, it's coming off. Okay. Okay. Let me stop messing around. Let me do some close-ups. Look. Look at that. Yeah, it's a nice little ring. I like it. It's Moissanite, so it's cool. Alright. So, got it on 4. Let's see what it does. Oh, that's hard. It does pass. Wait. Alright, let's weigh this thing. 13 grams. That's not bad. I'm gonna do a light test next, like a shine test. But this thing is busting right now. You can see a lot of colors just off of this light right here. So let's see what it looks like under some flash. All right. This is the flash test. Yeah, this thing shines pretty nice.